Hi.
You say hi to Dad.
Actually, you say hi?
Hi, Daddy.
Hey, Dad.
Wave to Dad. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. I'm busy, Mom. Hi.
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 Axel, who did you see yesterday? Did you see Santa?
Santa?
Santa? Santa?
Oh, he said toys before, too.
He did.
Yeah.
Did you see Santa? Hi.
Hi. Hey, cute kid. You want to show everybody how you can walk?
I'm busy with this teaser.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, he likes the champion C.
That's because he's from Brockton, the city of champions.
You sharing with Dad? Thank you. Nice background noise.
Hi, mister. Hi, Mr. Cute. Whoa! Hi. You gonna walk to Mommy? Here, go walk to Mommy.
Come here. You can do it. Come on, let me one. Some teaser. Come on, buddy.
Yeah, that's a good walker.
Come on. Come see Mama. Oh, 2 steps forward, 2 steps back.
Oh,
Ooh, that's a good
that's a good move.
Doing
Doing some squats.
Come see Mom. Almost. You did it.
What a boy.
Love you. You wave bye-bye to Daddy.
Bye, Axel.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. Hi. No, bye. Where'd you go? Oh, there you are.
Hey, Dad.
Hey, Dad. Do you see Gertie?
Where's Gert?
Where's Gert?
Where's Gert?
Gertie?
Dirt.
Dirty?
You are fascinated with that thing.
Dirty. Yeah, hi, I love you.
Where's Gert? Say hi, Gert.
Hi, Gert.
Oh, good night.
Hey, good night.
Daddy didn't have the right angle for that. That was cute.
Good night. Oh. Okay, bye-bye.